Hey guys! Welcome back to the vlog! So our plan for this video is a little bit more relaxed compared to the last few videos because I feel like over the last few weeks, maybe months, we've been so busy. And if you guys missed the last few videos, we've completed a full series of touring Max's parents around Vancouver and all of the surrounding places since arriving here in Canada. And after that, we went straight to Seattle for Skylar's first international trip. So I feel like that we deserve a little break. And also, over those last few weeks, we've kind of missed a few different milestones that we normally celebrate on this channel. So I guess this video is also to make up for that. It's going to be a celebration video. Let's go see if Max and Skylar are ready. Skylar!
Daddy?
Are you wearing a Disney outfit?
Show your outfit. So Skylar decided to wear her Belle outfit because she's feeling very special today. Today we are going to celebrate Skylar's 5th month and also a double celebration because we didn't get to celebrate her 4th month.
Yeah, I feel like we missed that one over the busyness of the month, right?
Yep. So does that mean we're going to eat more today? Yes! Yes! We usually give you guys a monthly update about Skylar, but we'll do that later. And for now, we're going to head out and buy some props for her photo shoot. Right, Sky? Do you want a photo shoot later?
So the main reason why we're here in Dollar Store is we wanted to find some props for Skylar's monthly photo shoot. Every month we try to come up with a kind of like a creative photo for Skylar.
So every month we've been theming it with the season, and this month it's summer because summer is coming up. Summer! So I'm thinking of ice cream cones since summer is really hot and we wanted to eat something cold. So why don't we use ice cream cones with ice cream? I think I like that idea, Skylar. What do you think? I think I found another one.
Yep, Skylar, I think you're gonna like this one. It's another ice cream.
Think you like the ice cream? Oh, she likes the candy more.
Ice cream. So one thing that we wanted to make sure that we do today is provide you guys an update with Skylar being the 4th month and 5th month update because we failed to do that over the last couple of weeks. Oh, you wanna take over, Skylar? As you can see, she's become very active.
So Skylar has become very active. It's so hard to hold her still, and she's very aware of her surroundings. So she wanted to explore and just wanna run, I think.
Yeah,
if
so
she can.
She even complains when you're carrying her laying down. She wants to just sit down and see all of the places that we're seeing.
Yeah.
Another thing I think is she's become very social now, to a point where you can have conversations with her. Why do you need to suck the tummy? It tastes good? The tummy tastes good? I haven't even finished my question yet. How many fingers can Skylar fit in her mouth? Kind of surprised me at one time. She was calling me, and then when I responded back, she also answers back, and it becomes like a ping pong of like response.
Yeah, she even starts a conversation if you're not looking to at
Yeah.
her.
Hopefully we can get that on camera for you guys one of these days when we catch it, so you can see how Skylar talks now.
So another milestone that happened was Skylar learned how to roll over, and for the past couple of weeks, she also learned how to roll back.
Yeah, I think one big factor for developing that is her bumper bed. You guys know that we have like a small bumper bed in our living room at home. And I think she's getting a lot of practices from that because she gets to like play around. She has lots of toys there.
Yeah, she has a bigger bed to roll over. She's already sucking her thumb, eating all of her fingers, sometimes both of them if she can.
And tell them about the teeter that you bought.
So I bought her a teeter which we can put on the fridge so it's cold when she eats it.
One other thing was like, we were kind of thinking when to actually give her a piercing for her earring, but we're kind of like 50-50 about that because she kind of like scratches and reaches for her ears lately, and we were kind of worried that she might find the earring and then eventually just pull it off. If you guys have any thoughts about that, leave a comment down below. We'd love to know when to actually pierce a baby for earrings. And also, as of today, this little baby is a Canadian passport holder. Skylar!
Have a passport!
Wow! She's smiling like she knows what it is.
What is it?
But yeah, we've taken the step to get her ready for international travel. She's been doing so good at local travel within Vancouver, within British Columbia, as you guys may have seen on the past few videos. So we're hoping to bring this baby somewhere else internationally. Let us know in the comments where you guys think we should go. Where do you want to go, Skylar?
Can I get your first stamp in your passport? And lastly, overall, I think she's a bigger baby now compared to 3 months ago, which she's getting really heavy and moves a lot.
It's getting harder and harder to carry this baby. Here you go, Skylar!
Ice cream!
Wow! Oh, she grabbed it right away.
So happy. Do you love it? So Skylar is wearing her Bonds outfit. So Bonds is one of our favorite brands because they have sleepwear, they have swimsuit, and other kinds of clothes for babies. So since it's summer, we have Skylar in her summer outfit and summer themed photo shoot.
Yeah, with all of the ice creams because it's summer as well.
She's very happy.
Ready for the photo shoot? Very nice. Sky.
Skylar. That was tiring. I have to eat the props.
It is quite the struggle getting a baby to post for you. Skylar, you think you had a good photo? Huh?
Good one.
So aside from Skylar's 5th month, one of the other milestones that we wanted to celebrate on this video that we missed over the last few weeks is our wedding anniversary. Max and I are officially 7 years married. I can't believe that it's almost a decade now, hey? 3 more years. Yeah, well, 3 more years.
So we're here right now at the keg because the keg is one of our favorite places when it comes to steaks. And we always go here whenever we're celebrating a milestone or celebrating something special. I think the last time that we were here, I was still pregnant and Skylar was inside my belly enjoying all the steak.
Yeah, that's crazy. And now I'm not sure if she's awake, but she's 5 months old now.
She's 5 months old, but sorry Sky, you still can't have steak.
No teeth yet. It may not look like it because it's pretty dim inside the restaurant, but it's actually just around 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock right now, and we're gonna have dinner and a steak.
That's our life now.
That's our life now because Skylar's bedtime is around 7 o'clock and we have to be home by 6. So this is the only time we can go out. I think someone's awake.
Someone is awake.
Steak! Turkey leg! Turkey leg! Right here. Oh no!
Medium rare.
Medium rare. This week was also pretty cool because this little Timbit had a chance to participate in a study at the University of British Columbia. When Skylar was born, a group of UBC students asked us if we'd like to sign her up to their early development research. And we said, why not? She just had to put this futuristic thinking cap that monitors her brain while she plays with her favorite toys and spends time with mommy. Afterwards, she was awarded a Bachelor of Arts degree. Congrats, Skylar! Hey guys, so we have finally made it out here to a local pool, a local community center here in Vancouver. We have been actually waiting for a while to do this with Skylar.
And now that she's a little bit bigger, we have the courage to put her in the big pool. So since this is a community center, they have drop-in schedules. So you can just drop by anytime with your baby and just pay a small fee.
Initially, we were kind of thinking, should we enroll Skylar to a swimming lesson class? But I think for the first few months, we just wanted to make sure that she's gonna like the water before enrolling her. So this is going to be her first exposure. Are you here to swim, Skylar? Yes. What is swim? Swim is like bath time, but you stay in a bigger pool. Bigger water, huh? And then you stay longer as well.
Skylar's already wearing her swimming outfit with a robe on top.
This is actually Skylar's nap time during this hour, so that's why she's a little bit, a little bit sleepy. But I think when she sees the pool, she's gonna freak out. Sky! Welcome to your first time in a swimming pool! For your first lazy river?
We're going to try the lazy river and it looks really fun. We have this floaty with us and Skylar has her own.
You have your own private floaty.
Is that a thumbs up? Thumbs up! Let's go!
Let's go! Your floaty.
Skylar
I think this reverse progress for Skylar. Skylar, you're such an adventure seeker, Skylar. Hey guys, so we're not even sure if you guys can hear us or not because it's pretty loud in here. There's an actual Zumba class happening right now.
She said the Zumba and water looks really fun. Maybe we should try it sometime.
I know, it's such a party in here. I didn't even think that it was going to be this loud and this much fun.
And I think Skylar is having so much fun too. I love that there's so many babies in this area.
Yeah.
They even have a swim class for children. Maybe when Skylar grows up, she'll enroll in one of those classes.
Yeah, absolutely, Skylar.
But for now, she's here to familiarize herself with the water and play a little bit.
So really lots of new experiences for Skylar. She got into her first big pool and also she got to try her first lazy river.
Which is really fun, right?
What an adventure baby, this one. So I guess one of the few things that I can't still do with Skylar, being a 5-month-old baby. Maybe a few more months, Skylar? Yeah? Okay, tomorrow. Okay, I think we're gonna leave you guys here. We're just gonna enjoy the rest of the day, relaxing in this pool at the theme of this video. Leave a like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next video.